Olá a todos, o meu nome é Sofia. Welcome to this channel. If it's the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I will be sharing videos about essential words and how to use them in Portuguese language, along with some videos in which I speak only in Portuguese for those more advanced into the language. Also, if you are interested to learn, I'm providing not only courses but private classes. So let's get started for today. And so today I will talk about the word mesmo. This is a versatile term in Portuguese language which has plenty of meanings and many times makes people confused. So I will be explaining some of the meanings that this word can take in Portuguese language. I will be sharing 6 variations of the word mesmo. The first variation is using mesmo as an intensifier. This is similar as in English we use the word very or really. Por exemplo, estou mesmo cansado. Like, I'm really tired. So the second variation is same. Mesmo can be used as same or exact when referring to things that are identical or equivalent. Por exemplo, eles usam o mesmo carro. They use the same car. The third use is emphasis or confirmation. Mesmo can be used to confirm or to emphasize something that was previously mentioned. For example, eu gosto mesmo de chocolate. It's like I really like chocolate. I have mentioned in past that I like chocolate, and now I use mesmo to emphasize like I really like it. Eu gosto mesmo. The fourth use to translate an idea of contrast or surprise. For example, ele veio mesmo de avião. He really came by airplane. So the use of mesmo in this aspect is always adding this contrast and surprise of like, did he really come by airplane? Or did he really went there? Or did he really make this? Fifth variation is nevertheless or however. So in certain contexts, mesmo can be translated as nevertheless or however, this expressing concession or contrast. And it's usually used as a connector between two clauses. So let's see the example. Eu sei que estás cansado, mas mesmo assim temos de terminar o trabalho. So I will repeat again. Eu sei que estás cansado, mas mesmo assim temos de terminar o trabalho. I know you are tired, but nevertheless, or however, we need to finish the work. And this expression comes a lot in this form of mas mesmo assim. The sixth variation is meaning yourself or himself or herself. So this idea of mesmo after the subject or the personal pronoun is having the effect of I did this by myself, I myself or she herself did this. Por exemplo, eu mesmo fiz o bolo. Because I'm a woman, I would not say eu mesmo. I would have to say eu mesma. So when you use this word mesmo in this sixth variation, in this context, you also have to take care what is the gender of the subject, either if you are using you or if you are using someone else. So for example, it's easier if I'm using ela. So I know ela is feminine, so I would say ela mesmo fez o bolo. She herself did the cake. If I use ele, I know it's masculine, so it can only be ele mesmo fez o bolo. He himself made the cake. But if I'm saying eu, then I will either say eu mesma if I'm a woman, or I will either say eu mesmo if I am a man. So these are the main uses of the word mesmo in Portuguese. It's important to consider always the context of the sentence to understand what is the word and how is the word being applied. But more or less with this video, you get an idea of the context that this word can show up and what is the meaning that the word can take. So I hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments if there is a topic or if there is a question that you have, like same as how can I use mesmo? Can you make a video about this? I'm always happy to receive your suggestions and help you in your process of learning the Portuguese language. I will see you soon. Muito obrigada e adeus!